This is the battery charger, but a small one, and we are saying this a trickle battery charger. Mostly the use of this trickle battery charger, it's especially used when your car parked for a long time and like 15 days or a month. This charger prevent from battery deep discharge. Trickle charger easy to use and carry its automatically maintained charge level of the battery and increase the battery life. This trickle battery charger charge the battery in the slow as to also prevent the overheating of the battery. So this is the kit of the battery charger, and you can use according your car need. Like this car is the SL, so in the trunk also we can connect the battery charger. But if your car have another model, you can connect directly on this jump starter point like direct battery. So how to use the charger? Connect to power supply and switch on, then you will see this green color means okay, it's a charger is okay, and this yellow color means battery discharge. Now it's checking the battery charge level. This one is the 50% battery charge, third one is the 80, and fourth one is the full charge. Reset means the charger is again checking the charge level of the battery, and according to the charge level this battery charger charge the battery. Here are the meaning. If some lights are glowing, then you can read and understand what is the purpose of the light. So battery charge level 50%, 80%, and this one is the charge level 100%. So these are the cable that you can connect on the battery or where we are using the jump start, and also you can follow the user manual. This will guide you. There are many languages you can read and you can understand. It's easy. So like I am reading the English, so English is here. These are the, you can see here, all information is here. You can read and you can understand. When you will buy this trickle charger, this user manual also coming with the box. So it's a very good if you are using at home. This charger can maintain the charge level of the battery according to need the battery.